So we're on a local trail today looking for the remnants of an old orchard and dairy farm from the early 1900s.
Ooh, check it out. The inside of a cactus. Or Pac-Man.
Yeah, I was thinking fortune cookie, but I guess Pac-Man works.
Once we get to the top, we should be able to see the remnants of an oil well. Or I think they might have modernized it by now. But it was put there originally in the 1920s.
Down here on the ground.
Ah, a cattle grate. We must be getting close.
And a darn gnat went inside my ear. I feel it in there.
Is it moving?
Yeah, it's like wiggling around. Is that bad?
It's not good.
Yeah, it feels weird.
Everywhere you look, you see these black mustard plants, which is an invasive species here in Southern California. The worst part is they dry up and they create fuel for forest fires. They also get all over your pants, as you can see, and they don't come off just by brushing them off.
Woo, it's buggy in here, huh? Check it out. There's that oil field we were talking about. Definitely a little bit more modern nowadays, huh? Let's see if we can get a better view from the top. Woo, mosquitoes everywhere. Check that out. Yep. Oil.
Aliens.
Wow, you think that's like the foundation of someone's property right there? Like where they used to live?
Yeah, I see some stairs.
Oh, let's try to get down there. Jesus. Yep, neat. I gotta run, I gotta go with it. I can't stop. All right. That's the thing. Once you start going, you just gotta keep going. You coming? This might be the scene of the second fall here. Whoa. Jesus. Oh. Gotcha. All right. It's a pretty nice little spot, huh? Careful. Oh, you okay? Yeah. Just go with it.
I'm good.
God, these damn bugs are eating me alive. Look at a huge platform. Man, this is crazy out here. Oh, check that out. It's all brick.
I wonder if that was like...
I think it's like a patio.
Or a part of a barn, if there was cattle here.
Man, there's like weird stuff everywhere in here. Look at that weird piece of concrete right there. It's so overgrown. Just gotta watch out for snakes and things. I don't know if this is the best idea. to cruise through. Let's do this. Look at that rock wall. Oh, is this a swimming pool?
I think it's a swimming pool.
Yeah, it looks like a swimming pool down there. That crazy wall like along the back right there, huh?
Or like a garage?
I have no idea. This place is so cool. Imagine without the brush, there's probably so much stuff here. This is completely buried. Oh, hopefully this keeps going.
I think it is a pool.
Yeah, I agree. Looks poolish. This like a bridge?
No, and this is totally natural. There's decorative posts on both sides.
Yeah, this is like a driveway in, huh? It's like you'd enter their property here. Ooh-wee. Let's go from the top. Oh, look, there's a street up there.
The worst part of every hike.
I know it's a bummer. And you've had all this peaceful time, and then you have to go back to reality, right?
But I think we should go get subs.
Yeah, let's get some subs. That sounds good.